Off with our babes. Babe number one, just stay up. Whew! Just tell us your name and kung meron kayong social media pages that you want to promote or people that you want to thank.
Hi everyone, my name is Juliet Kim. I would like you to follow and like my page, Hydro Vape Shop, and my TikTok account, http.juliet Kim. That's all.
Just. Thank you so much. She has a vape area. That's what again? Heto Vape Shop. There you go. And you can follow her on her TikTok account. That's http Juliet Kim. Sobrang lag. Ang lala. Alright, pasensya na po French fries na kinakain ko. And alright, babe number 2, same question from babe number 1.
Hello po, my name is Karen Kyle. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa handler ko na si Jay Pelicano.
Thank you so much. Wala akong social media pages na promoting another one. Alright, so there you go. Thank you daw sa kanyang handler. And I would just like to say, ladies, nakakamatay yung mga heels ninyo. Diyos ko. Okay, now let's start with hunk number 1. Brother, same question lang this mga babes natin. What's your name? And of course, if you want to thank any other people. Kahit in English, okay lang. Tapos, kung meron kayo social media pages, business, tulad ni babe number 1, may vape shop siya, kindly do so.
Hi guys, good evening. My name is Kyle Wright and I would like to thank you po sa handler ko po and then the other drivers. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.
Alright brother, wala tayong social media pages sa promote. Di tayo nagtitiktok, ganyan. Kalma. Kalma. Ay, uso-uso yan. Ilalong ko napakinggan lagi yung misis ko. Alright, hunk number 2. Brother, sakali sa mga fans, baka gusto mo silang batiin, and syempre, invite mo na sila. Ano ba, business po or social media pages mo.
Good evening everyone. I'm Kevin Reyes. I'm inviting you guys na manood ng Man of the Philippines 2024. Isa po ako sa candidate doon from Cabuyao, Laguna. Series na po yung, showing na po siya kahapon, tapos Sunday, palabas na po yung second episode. So, kakaiba po yung pageant na yun kasi reality series po siya. Mas makikita nyo po kami mga candidate na hindi na kami sa stage na rumarampa. Makikita nyo po kami on and off camera. Maging sa pagising sa umaga, hanggang sa pagtulog, kita po kami sa camera kung ano pa talaga yung behavior namin as a model. Yun po.
Alright brother, that's Man of the Philippines. Where can we watch that? Is that on YouTube, Facebook? YouTube. Alright. So nakikita kami ngayon. Hi. Kasi reality na. Kidding aside, do follow of course and support Kevin on his other, of course, pageant aside from SUMMERBODIESQUEST, Man of the Philippines, that is on YouTube. Okay, abangan natin yan. And syempre, let's hunk number 3. But let's same question lang din. Kung may mga gusto kayo promote, katulad ni hunk number 2, and syempre ni babe number 1, kindly do so.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is JT. I would like to thank my best friend and also my handler, Brian Flores, for being supportive friend during this journey. And also, I would like to invite everyone to watch us this coming May 12 at Manila International Fashion Week at White Space Manila.
All right, so we invite everyone. That will be on May 12. White Space. Yan. Manila International Fashion Week. I do apologize. Medyo naglalag. Alright, medyo bilisan lang natin content. Hunk number 4, ikaw naman.
Good evening everyone. My name is Jay Gilio, 20 years old. Thank you for my handlers dahil sinamahan ako dito.
Hunk number 4, short but sweet. No other social media pages to promote. Wala. Alright, hunk number 5, brother. Ikaw naman lang. Take it away.
Magandang gabi po. I'm Christian Santos Alcantara. Facebook ako Christian Santos. Thank you.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much, brothers. Alright.